Today we're going to be talking about SafeMoon and whether or not it can go to the moon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, why it's your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want 2 free stocks and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get all signed up there. You can start trading some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge if you want to. Without any further ado, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, SafeMoon. So SafeMoon is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies at the moment. It is my largest holding, as I think they can get back to highs pretty quickly, but we do have an article here talking about how they might be retracing before they set up for their next launch and price, that is. So let's go over this article and then a few other things and then we'll get out of here. So first thing, from fxstreet.com, we got SafeMoon price prediction. SafeMoon looks to reset after a massive rally. So obviously SafeMoon has surged over 170% after sweeping lows at about 356. Obviously I'm going to be referring to the numbers as 356 instead of 0.00000, mostly because I don't feel like doing that and it's just easier. But then it just set up new highs at around 951, so basically tripled. And SafeMoon could pull back 26% as investors book profits, and we'll go over why they think that as soon as we get a little bit further into the article. But they say in some cases this retracement could extend up to 40% in losses towards the 559 area. So obviously that would not be ideal for us SafeMoon holders, but this is literally just setting up for a launch that will send us past previous highs around 15 instead of 9. So could basically be doubling in my opinion. But basically they just talk about how it had a huge run. Obviously we all know SafeMoon's had a huge run, and it could even run more with the amount of people that are looking into it. Right now it's on 1.4 million watch lists and it's only ranked 202 on CoinMarketCap. But that's more than Bitcoin, that's more than Ethereum. Actually, I'm not sure about Ethereum. I know that's more watchers than Bitcoin. But basically, let's get into why they think this could be. Market participants should note that that only a decisive 4-hour candlestick close before above 89 will confirm this downswing scenario explained above. So basically they think that it can go all the way back down here to 0.69, and then in a bear case scenario it will bounce off this 59 area. So it could be about 40% in losses according to them, or it could be about 26% in losses if it gets to 69. But they say that only if it closes the 4-hour candlestick below 89, that would confirm the downsizing scenario. If not, then we could be making support maybe in the 876-ish range. Either way, I do think we will be retracing, just like they say. I just don't know if it'll be a 40% retracement like they're saying here. There's just too much buying pressure on this right now. And yeah, so if we get into one of my favorite sites, Lunarcrush.com. Basically, this is a way to see how social engagement is going for a cryptocurrency. So it's a really good website. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just really like using this website. As we can see here, the social volume is always high for SafeMoon, but when the social volume is high, you know that there's going to be more people getting into it. Social engagement, up 62%. I believe this is over the week, up 65% social volume. And yeah, so basically everything on here is green. That is good. YouTube volume up 162%. A lot more people are making YouTube videos on it, just like me. And it's the 12th alt rank on Lunarcrush. So basically social sentiment has rebounded this morning at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. It's starting to go back up. It did reach lows this morning, but that is or last night, but that is also at 11 a.m. and that normally happens. So yeah, lots of social sentiment. It's all green. Everyone is bullish on this token on average. But yeah, so now we can get into SafeMoon's, the good stuff basically. It is down 14% in the last 24 hours. It is, 13%. I did buy more. I did buy SafeMoon. I will admit, I bought SafeMoon. I do like it above anything below this 10 number right here. I like. I do think it can go down to about 70. The 7 area, 75 area. Obviously, I'm referring to this 7 and this 5. I think it can go down to that, but it's looking like we're getting a resurgence right here. If we look at the day, I mean, it was above the 10 area, but now, we're down 10% in the last 24 hours, just because that's the way that cryptocurrencies work. But obviously they're talking about that retracement back down into the 66 cent level, or not cent, but you know what I'm saying. And I'm really thinking that it really just goes down to 75 right here, and then we will be set up on a rocket ship to go above this previous high on April 20th, above 14. So I think that we can see probably SafeMoon doubling over the next week. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but I do think that SafeMoon can double over the next week. We have an insanely good support at this 4 level. At 4, there's no way it goes below 4. So there's no more than a 60% downside with this cryptocurrency at the moment. I think really over the next couple of days, over the next day, there's about a 20 to 40% downside before we get sent on a rocket ship back up. Obviously, if you look at historical data, over the past 5 days, there has been insane volume with this stock. Before, we were trading at about, between 30 and 90 million, depending on the day. Even 25 million. But now, over the past 5 days, we have been trading 175 million basically consistently. On May 10th, we did trade $200 million worth of SafeMoon. And the market cap is 5 billion. We could easily double this market cap, and I think that will happen. Obviously, volume is down a bit today, but we are just loading up for our next rocket ship to the freaking moon. We just have to be hodling our tokens. I bought even more a couple of minutes ago before I started making this video, and I really do believe in SafeMoon. I believe in it wholeheartedly. If you guys were wondering how you buy SafeMoon, it's actually available to buy now. So when I was making my videos before, you actually couldn't buy the Binance Smart Chain contracts that you needed in order to buy SafeMoon through PancakeSwap. But right now, as I make this video, and it will be going up within the hour that I make it, you are able to buy Binance Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. So if you guys want to go over to Trust Wallet, you guys can actually start buying SafeMoon right now, because basically what happened is there was too many people trying to buy SafeMoon when it was on this 170% rampage, and basically they couldn't handle how many people were trying to buy it, so they had some problems with that. But now you can actually start buying it. So if you guys want to download Trust Wallet, you guys can go to safemoon.net, and they have a good video to show you guys how to buy SafeMoon. All you have to do is go to buy now, and then you watch this video guide. If you guys watch this video guide, it'll show you exactly how to do it. And if you guys want to just read how to do it, they also have steps right here, and it basically shows you how to buy SafeMoon. I will say, you do lose money off the bat because you have to provide liquidity, but that's not going to matter in the long run, because this is going to have 100% plus returns in my opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't fact. It's not truth, but that's just what I think could happen. But yeah, basically just go to safemoon.net/buy. It'll tell you how to buy it. You can actually buy it right now. So if you guys are looking to get into SafeMoon, then go ahead and go there. It'll show you exactly how to buy SafeMoon. But yeah, if you guys want 2 free stocks, make sure that you get signed up with WeBull. Deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850, and you can start trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. If you guys would please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. That would mean the world to me. Also turn post notifications on so you guys get updated on everything cryptocurrency and stock related. But that is going to be it for me today. If you did enjoy, do all those things I said before, and I'll see you in the next video.